Hi, I am Imal Aswath. This is the problem related to profit and loss. Here it is, a man losses 16.66% by selling an article for rupees 500. So, or article rupees 500 you have to sell, that is 16.66% losses. What will be the selling price if the desired profit is 20%? What will be the selling price? So it is asked to find the selling price. A man loses 16.66%. So first, here it is loss percentage is given. So loss percentage equal to 16.66. So here it is 66%. Here we can write it is in the form of fraction. It is 1/6%. 1/6%. So for banking you have to study these fractions. For 16.66, 1/6 is the fraction. So 1/6. So now it is a loss percentage is always calculate on loss percentage equal to cost price into gain. Sorry, gain not loss. Loss into 100. So this is the way we have to calculate the loss percentage. So here it is. I take it as it is a common number is I take it as x. So cost price equal to 6x. And loss equal to 1x. Loss equal to 1x. Loss equal to 1x. So always selling price when it is when we get loss, that is selling price is less than cost price. So selling price equal to cost price minus loss. Cost price minus loss. So that is equal to cost price is 6x minus 1x, that is equal to 5x. But in the problem, it is given that what is the selling price of an article? It is rupees 500. What is the selling price of an article? It is rupees 500. So that is if the rupees 500, if I sell the article for rupees 500, we got the loss price. So when we get the profit is 20%. So for that, what is the selling price? What is that one you have to find? So for that, first we have to find the cost price. First we have to find the cost price, but it is here, it is given selling price. So 5x equal to 500. So what is the value of x? X equal to 100. X equal to 100. So what is the cost price? That is cost price x equal to 6x. So 600 cost price equal to. So cost price equal to 600. So when we find the cost price, we can easily calculate the profit percentage. Profit. So profit you have to take it as 20%. So profit equal to, always profit or loss is calculated in the cost price only. So cost price, that is 600. So for 600 it is profit is 100 plus 20, that is 120 into that is cost price. That is here 120 divided by 100. Formula is 100 120 and then it is equal to cost price, that is equal to 600 here. So this profit percentage, sir, it is not like that. That is selling price equal to, how to find the selling price? Selling price equal to 100 plus profit into 600. So always you write the formulas. Then only it is easy to calculate. So 100 120. Then what is the cost price? It is 600. So cancelling, what we get is 12 6 are 2 6 are 12, 1 166 7 20. So rupees 720 selling price of an article. That is if we get 20% profit, what is the selling price of an article? It is 720. It is 500 means it is loss. So if it is 720 means 20% profit. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.